Hey, in this video, I will show you how to add filters on Instagram. It's actually a very simple tutorial, very easy tutorial to do. And it's the same thing on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. So what you want to do is obviously go on Instagram, click on the plus icon, click on story, and to browse effects, so you have some filters or effects here, but to actually browse ones, you want to go on the magnifying glass, kind of like the Explorer page, click on it to browse effect, and you have the effect gallery, and you have your saved effects at the top right corner, Instagram selfies, love, color. So depending on what you want, you can select any of them and actually save them or add them right here. If this video helped you out, give me a like, and I want to see you in the next one. Bye.